Hello Physics, this is Miss Claire. In this video, you will learn Chapter 2, the number system. You will learn 2 lessons. Lesson A, count on and back. Lesson B, use the order of operation. The learning outcomes for these 2 lessons are to count on and back in decimals and fractions, and to simplify calculations using arithmetic laws in the order of operations. Okay, P6, are you ready? Come on, let's start. Okay, let's start with lesson A, count on and back. Look at this picture. The numbers on the temperature scale form a sequence. What do you think the sequence is? Ron counts on from the number at point A in fives. What is the first number after 0? Make jumps on the number line. Okay, so what will be the number after 0? If you will start from point A. If you know the answer, you can share your answers during our class. Okay, what is the height of the water after 4 minutes? The height of water in a pool is 0.4 meters. It rises 0.1 meter every minute. So all we need to do is we only add 0.1 meter every minute. After 4, it means 4 jumps. So that is equal to 0.8. So the height of the water in the pool is 0.8 meters after 4 minutes. How about if we have this one? After 6 minutes, but the height is already 1.88 and it decreases by 0.01 meter every minute. The word decreases means it getting smaller, right? So we will start from 1.88 and we always subtract 0.01 after 1 minute. So after 6 minutes means we will jump 6 times. So after 6 minutes, the height becomes 1.82 meters. So we count back from 1.88 in 0.01. So the numbers or the digits getting smaller. From the word decreases, it will become smaller. Next, what is the length of the railway track at 9:30 a.m.? So look at here, at 9 a.m. a machine starts to extend a 5.121 kilometer railway track. It lays a fixed length of the track every 10 minutes. The railway track is 5.129 kilometers long. At 9:40 a.m., what is the length of the railway track at 9:30 a.m.? Take a look here. We have 4 jumps. How did we find these answers at 9:10, 9:20, and 9:30 a.m.? This is how to find the answer or to solve this problem. First, we need to find the difference between the first and the fifth terms, which is 5.129 and 5.121. So that is 0.008. We have 4 jumps, so we will divide it by 4, and that is 0.02. So to get the second term, we always add 0.002 to the first term, and that is equal to 5.123. This is the second term. To get the third term, we add another 0.002, and that is 5.125. That is the third term. And the fourth term is adding third term plus 0.002, and that is 5.127. Therefore, the railway track at 9:30 a.m. is 5.127 kilometers long. Okay, how about if the time or the track becomes 5.139 kilometers long? What time will it be? If you know the answer, you can share during our class. Next, How many seconds did Amira dive take? From a springboard that is 1 meter above the water level, Amira dived into a swimming pool. Her depth decreased by 1/4 of a meter every second. Then she finished at -1 meter. How many seconds did the dive take? So from 1 meter to -1 meter, how long was it? All we need to do is we only subtract by second, then by 1/4. So from 1 meter, take a look. We subtract 1/4, that is 3/4, right? This is 4/4, right? So minus 1/4, 3/4, minus 1/4, 2/4, minus 1/4, 1/4. 1/4 minus 1/4, 0. 0 minus 1/4, this is -1/4. Minus 1/4, -2/4. Minus 1/4 again, -3/4. Minus 1/4, that is -1. So how many seconds? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it takes 8 seconds for her to jump from 1 meter to -1 meter. Okay, P6? So the sequence shows counting back from 1 to -1 in 1/4. Okay, how about if Amira continues diving for another 3 seconds? How many meters below the water level will she be? If you know the answer, you can give your answer during our class. Okay, find the answer for this. Margie was stacking up some plastic cups. A single cup has a height of 8.8 centimeters. For every cup stacked, the height of the cups will rise by 0.25 centimeters. What will be the height of the cups if she stacks up to 4 cups? If you know the answer, you can share during our class. Okay, let's continue for lesson B. Use the order of operations. Izzy baked some tarts. She wants to pack them equally into boxes. How many tarts can 2 boxes hold? How can you find the answer differently? If you know the answer for this question or this problem, you can share during our class. I have here another problem. How many strawberries were eaten? Alice bought 5 boxes of strawberries for a party. 9 strawberries were left after the party. So how many strawberries were eaten? First, we need to find how many strawberries in 1 box. So this is 13 strawberries times 4. So, or 14 times 13 times 5 boxes minus 9. We can also solve it like this. We call this the commutative law of multiplication. Means even though that it changed the position of its number, still it gives us the correct answer. After that, we will multiply as the easiest one first. 4 times 5 times 20. That is what we call associative law of multiplication. You can either multiply 4 times 5 first or 13 times 4. The answer is still the same. After that, we do multiplication first before subtraction. This is 260 minus 9 is 251. So there are 251 strawberries were eaten. Now, we have the 2 laws of multiplication, the commutative law and the associative law. During our class, I will discuss deeper about these 2 laws of multiplication. Another problem. What is the total number of fruits Ahmad bought? Ahmad bought 14 mangoes, 19 oranges, and 2 bags of 8 apples each. So what is the total number of fruits he bought? So 14 from plus 19 plus 2 times 8. This 2 times 8, it should be compute first. Remember, do multiplication or division first before addition and subtraction. So 2 times 8 is 16. After that, we can add them all, or you can say you can use the commutative law of addition. So you can add, because this is all addition. In commutative law, you can add any number. The answer is still the same. So 19 plus 14 or 14 plus 16 first, no problem. Let's say 14 plus 16 because it gives us a whole tens, that is equals to 30. So we have another here, associative law. So 19 plus 30 is 49. So he bought 49 fruits altogether. Next, what is the total length of the strings Jenny needs? Jenny needs some strings to tie presents. She has 12 strings. Each string is 15 centimeter long. She's still 7 centimeters short of the length. So what is the total length of the strings Jenny needs? So 15 times 12 plus 7. So how to solve this one? 15 times 12, we can say 15 times 10 first, plus 15 plus 2, 10, and 2 is 12. So this is what we call distributive law, to make it easier to multiply. Because it's easier to multiply 15 times 10, 150. 15 times 2 is 30, plus 7. Remember, do multiplication before addition. 150 plus 30 is equal to 180, plus 7 is 187. Therefore, the total length of the strings she needs is 187 centimeter. So, can you find another way on how to compute this? If you have, you can share that during our class. Okay, I have here a problem for you to solve. Carly earns $12.50 every hour. He works only on weekdays for 8 hours a day. It means he only works 5 days in 1 week. After working for 10 weeks, he will receive an additional of $200. So how much will he earn in 10 weeks? So try to solve this and give your answer during our class. Okay, P6, that's all about Lesson A, count on and back, and Lesson B, use the order of operation. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learn a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone, and have a great day.